Hello kids, today we will start fourth chapter 4, uses of computer. uh, in everyday life we are using the computer, so how we are using it, where we using it, we will learn about in this chapter, and we will solve the questions. In today's scenario, you will find computers everywhere around us in almost each field. Yeah, at home, at office, in school, in bus station, railway station, airport, bank, restaurants, all over you are using it. So let's start with that first one. Computers around us at home. To do your homework, if you want to search anything about the thing, you use the computer for your homework. To play games, you are playing games on the computer. Do online shopping, if you want to buy your crayons, colors, you can order it online. So you are using mobile or laptop or computer, so they are the part of us at home. Next is at offices. To type documents, to take printouts, to maintain employees record. In offices we use it for documents, take out the printouts, maintain employees record for your work. Everything you uses in the office, uses computer in the office. At hospital, to maintain medical reports. So if any patient is going to the hospital, then their medical reports are entered into the computer, so they are maintaining their need not to find in the files and all. You just go to the computer and type name of the patient and find the medical reports. To carry out lab test, if you're doing some lab tests, for example, if you check for blood group, which blood group you have, you need to use computer. For that you need to enter the blood group or the patient, or the then help doctors to perform complex surgery. So now in doctors, in operations, doctors using the computer for checking inside the body, and performing the surgery over the tissues and muscles and all the body parts. So in hospital we use it in many ways. At school, to prepare circular results timetable, to keep students and teachers record. In library, to maintain book record. So for in school also we are using for your homework, for your circulars, so teachers using for giving the timetables, teachers maintaining attendance, which kid is coming, which teachers is coming or not, the attendance in the computer. In library, maintain book records, how many books are giving to any person, any student, how many they give back, how many total available in the library. So all things we do using computer for in school. Next is bank. To maintain account holders information, to credit and withdraw money. If you have account in bank, then details is in mobile or in computer, so you can access it from anywhere, and it is on cloud storage. To credit and withdraw money, for credit, if you are using ATM, so for withdraw and the credit money. At shops and malls, to create and pay bills, if you go for a mall and you can see there that they making bills, to use they using computer for making bills, generating bills, but you buy, and to keep records of sales and purchase, how many items are sold out in a day, in how many in the warehouse, they all are all records in the computer. Next is at railway station and airport, to display arrival and departure of trains and flights, to book ticket. For railway station, if you want to buy a ticket, you can see that person is book on tickets on the computer. Next is to show, there is will a display that showing how many trains or flights are coming, how many departure, how many arriving. So all our thing we are using computer. Next is at research center, help scientists in research, help in launching and controlling satellites. Why we are using for researching anything, scientist is using computer. for launching and controlling. If you can see that Mangalyaan and other Chandrayaan all are using satellites, all are using computer to launching or controlling satellites. At publication house for designing and printing newspaper, magazines, comic books, etc. For printing, if you know already that we using printer for printing digital copy to hard copy, same like in the big publishing house, big printing machines we using publications house using computer for designing and printing. At entertainment industry, mm, entertainment industry to make cartoon and animation movies to add special effects. Let's start with the exercise. So, first question is, computer at a place shown in the given image can be used for keeping details of, this is a school, and we use this for students, teachers, fees, all of these. So students record we are maintaining, teachers record, fees that paid, so all of these. Computer can be used to design models of car, layout of houses, print magazines and newspapers. So all four things we are doing using computer. Select the incorrect statements. Computer help us to solve sums. Computer help us to do shopping by sitting at our home. Computer can help us to think. Computer help us to search for any information. So answer is, computer help us to solve sum. This is true. Computer help us to shopping. This is true. Computer help us to think. No, computer don't have thinking power. At which of the following places computers can be used for generating bills? Toy shop, restaurant, bank, both A and B. So we using computer, both A and B. Computers can be generating bills. Bills we are generating at A and B, toy shop and restaurant. In defense, computer can be used to track missiles, yes. For communication, yes. With the missiles with another person, to target and destroy incoming missiles, yes. So answer is D, all of these. So we need to check all the options if they consider all of these using, but sometimes that answer also wrong. So carefully read all the options. Using computers at home, you can do shopping, pay bills, book tickets, all of these. So answer is all of these we using for shopping, bill pay, electricity bill, any bill we pay, book tickets. Using computer, scientists can do research, designing robots, control satellites, all of these. Yes, computer scientists doing using for all the things. A. Select the incorrect use of computer at the place shown in the given image. It can be used to keep record of stocks. It can be used to generate bills. It can be used to prepare timetable. It can be used to keep record of sales. So this is grocery store. So there is no timetable. So answer is C. Which of the following represents the use of computer in entertainment industry? To make cartoon and animated movies, to add special effects in movies, to design building layouts, both A and B. So answer is D. To make cartoon and animated movies, to add special effects in movies. You don't, building layouts is the architecture work. At which of the following places computer can be used to book tickets, keep records of passenger, information arrival departure? This is bank, no. This is school, no. This is toy shop, no. This is airport, yes. Airport we have the booking tickets, record of passengers and arrival departures. The given image shows that computers can be used at for school, hospital or x-ray, no. This is school, it's overwritten over here. So school and teaching. Select the incorrect match. Office to print documents, yes. Bank to withdraw money, Yes. Shopping mall to generate bill. Yes. Police station to prepare exam timetable. No. This happening here. We use in school. Complete the given sentence by unscramble the letters of the given pictures. Options. Computers are used for reservation and cancellation of tickets. This is airport. This is bank. This is hospital. So answer is airport. Next is at police station computer cannot be used to keep record of criminal activities, medical reports, keep record of criminals, both in B and C. So answer is D. No medical reports. Medical reports we using in hospital. Which of the following statements hold true regarding use of computer in educational institution? They can be used to keep track of fees. They can be used to prepare notice, circulars, results. So answer is C. Only statement 1. They can be used to track of fees. Notice, circular, and one and both are doing we on the educational institution. Thank you, kids. Bye bye. Follow for next chapter. Bye.